What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just want to make this quick, show you guys what I've been working on. I'm kind of working on mods that I've already done. You can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm going back and revisiting some of the mods that I wasn't 100% happy with. Let me show you guys what's going on. Here are some taillights that I've already worked on. You know, it's 100% complete, but I wasn't 100% satisfied with it. So I am working on this one. Basically, I cut it up, opened it, spray painted it, and it ended up looking like this. So what I did was I wanted to replicate a look, Mercedes-Benz, I think C300 look, where this was red, like it would go like this, all red, and then the middle part would be, you know, clear and white, but instead it's smoked. So the taillights ended up looking like this, which wasn't bad, but it just wasn't to my liking. I'm actually working on this one now. I'm going to try to show you guys one hand, but really quickly, this is how you open them up. What I did was I took a Dremel and basically Dremeled this line right here all the way down. So you can see right there. When you get to that point right there, make sure you go around it on the outside. Same thing right here. Cut it all around. Keep going, and when you get to the side, right there, just line it up. That's basically how you open it up. So I made it in a way where I can reopen it if I needed to. I basically used the rubber butyl that I used for the headlights to reseal these up, and it worked out really well. They didn't fog up or anything. And this is what it looks like after I actually peeled by hand all the rubber butyl. Same thing right here, and this is what I've been working on a little bit. Started peeling off right here, and this is how you can see like how I patched it up, just like headlights. It's really messy, but at least now I'm able to reopen it and work on it again. So if you guys are wondering how I got this look, was to paint it red. I used the VHT nightshades, the reds, to get this. I think this was 3 light coats, and to get to tint the VHT nightshades in black. Really easy. All you gotta do, just, you know, clean it up and spray it right over. Although you do need to sand it a little bit with, like, I think 1,000 grit to scuff it up a little bit, so basically the paint, the transparent paint, can stick on. So now that I got the taillight open, this is what it's looking like when it's all naked. There's a couple screws that I took out already. For this one, like I showed you, this is how it's looking before, and I opened it up and I had to resand everything. Let me pop this off. You basically take that screw out, Phillips, and this is how it's looking. As you can see, you still see a little bit of the red, which it doesn't show up once it's all back together, but I had to resand everything and take all that transparent paint off, the VHT nightshades. And I also painted the interior, which is, this is the light diffuser. And let me show you the back side. This is where the LED board would go. Tuck the wires through here and in here, held on by a few screws. This is the light reflector. As you can see, you know, those little circles is where the LEDs would be. But I painted the inside too, which I should not have. So now this is pretty much a waste. It did look really good, but I'm not happy with it. So when I did the red stripe mod, I actually removed this. All this piece did was it diffuses the LEDs. So now, since this is removed, all you see is more of the LEDs. Now, since I have an extra one of these, I'm going to reinsert it. And I'm going to actually just tint this with the all black nightshades. So I have it back all together now. It looks just like a normal 07, 08 taillight. Now this is going to be tinted a little bit with the night shades. I'm going to do 2 coats because 1 is like a lighter coat, but 2 is more noticeable and 3 is kind of way too dark. So only do 2 coats if you guys do this mod. It's not that hard, it's just you have to take your time with dremeling and making sure you do get deep enough to cut it, but not too deep where you destroy the internals. So I do have future plans for this. If you did follow my Instagram, I did show off some type of LED mod inside, and it actually looked really sick. But that's what I'm not gonna do for this one. It's just, this one is strictly just tinting this to get a darker look, and I will reveal what I will do with these in the future. So that's what I've been working on behind the scenes, off and on. Whenever I have time, I'm just playing around with any of my old projects. But those were one of the projects that it was complete, but I wanted to change it up. Can't wait for how it looks. I know it's gonna look sick. Some of you guys probably have that mod. A lot of the TL community has done this mod, or even like different styles of taillights. You can pretty much mix and match all the ones that are out there. Don't be afraid to do this mod. It just does take patience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.